Tagal naman.
This portion is brought to you by Mikita Productions.
Kita pa gusto.
Lights, camera, action.
Action na. Comedy yun ah.
Ang mga sis talaga.
Baliw-baliw eh, no?
Stickle toes! Stickle back, stickle back, stickle back.
Stickle, stickle toes.
Stickle back, stickle back. A jolly circus cat. Hey!
Hala, hala.
TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok. 5, 6, 7, 8. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Oh, oh, oh.
Nakakaya ka. Mami, sigma ba yan? Parang hindi eh.
Single time, twinkle toes. Den, 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 den.
Rush to the door.
She's got a letter. Mail time.
Here's a mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna want my day. Don't wanna.
Kaya pala ayaw niya ako manood. Nakakaya pala talaga yung gagawin.
From the circus tour. I got a letter. She just got a letter. She just got a letter. She just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Single back, twinkle toes. Rip open the paper. There was no mail alert. She could wait until later. The letter said.
May plema pa.
Single back, twinkle toes from Mr. Carruthers.
Carruthers.
Proprietor chairman of Three Circus Brothers. Dear Miss Twinkle Toes, I'm happy to inform you that I'd like you to join our crew. We'll be in your town in the 15th of May. I hope to see you in that day. Love, Mr. Carruthers. Mwah, mwah, chuk, chuk.
Single time, twinkle toes. Jump up and down. She made it.
Hooray!
She made it.
Hooray! Say what and her now. She made it, she made it, she made it. Hooray! She made it, she made it, she made it. Hooray! And when the circus came over, she picked up and leave. See the back with the toes, goodbye her dreams. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street lights, people. Don't stop.
She took her words to Jolly Circus Town and traveled to every city and town.
Come on, vámonos.
Everybody at show. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Nakakaya na talaga.
Circus Town, where are we going? Circus Town, where are we going? Circus Town. For sticking back to the toes, believe what should be taught.
If you try hard enough, you
Can I only shut up?
Okay, group mates, let's do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Top, 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 top. Tickle back, tickle back. Tickle toes.
Nakakaya ka.
What's the matter? You can join us.
Wow.
Okay, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8.